Whenever we talk about container orchestration, we always talk about Kubernetes, which is a very powerful container orchestration tool. Similarly, when we talk about cloud computing, we can always think of Microsoft Azure, which is one of the leading cloud service providers in the market. Now, when we combine these two, we get a service called Azure Kubernetes Service, which is a highly popular cloud container orchestration service. But what is AKS? And what does it do? In this Azure Kubernetes Service tutorial, we'll be discussing this topic to the very core. Now let us go ahead and take a look at the agenda for the course. Taking a look at the agenda, we'll be talking about following pointers. Let's start by understanding what Azure Kubernetes is, but to understand that we would need to get into the details of topics like how software development and deployment has evolved. We'd also understand virtual machines and containers. We'll understand how Kubernetes works to the core. Then we'll discuss AKS and understand how it is different from Kubernetes. Then we'd go ahead and take a look at a use case that tells us how Azure Kubernetes Service has helped customers around the globe. And finally, we would finish things off with a demo where we would understand how we can actually go ahead and spawn container images using Azure Kubernetes Service. So let us not waste any time and quickly get started.